Man, I just want to go fast. I wish there was someone to teach me how to go very fast. Sonic? I'm Sonic, and this is how I talk. You're not allowed to go fast. I can't go fast? But you're going to teach me the next best thing? How to draw Sonic? Sure. Well, gotta speed on out of here. Adios. Wait, Sonic, don't go! I'm Itsmintsalad, and this is how to draw Sonic. I'm doing this tutorial digitally, but feel free to follow along with pencil and paper. First, draw a circle, then a middle line the length of 3 circles. Continue with adding an oval underneath, slightly shorter than the length of the circle. Add 2 small circles to the bottom of the oval, following with a line parallel to the middle line for both legs. On top of the oval, draw a perpendicular line for the shoulder line, drawing a circle in the crevices on both sides. For the arms, draw 2 equal lines for the upper and forearm respectively, with the elbow circle placed in the middle between hip and shoulder circle. When placing elbow circles for raised arms, slightly raise the placement to compensate for the angle. To finish, draw a larger circle for the hands. I wanted to add a ring, so I drew a large circle with a smaller circle inside. The best way to draw a hand gripping the ring is to draw an upside-down U, then a shallow C for the thumb, finishing with 4 ovals getting smaller for the digits. From the bottom of the wrists, draw 2 lines to connect the elbow, and then the rest of the arm to the torso oval. Add arches on both sides of underneath the wrists, and connect with a line to create the gloves. For Sonic's left arm, I decided to draw the large hand as a trapezoid rectangle with a semicircle at an angle on the hip, finishing with a 45 to 55 degree angle line intersecting with a negative 5 to 10 degree angle. Add narrow lines on either side of the middle line. Finish the hand by drawing 4 arches to the bottom of the circle to add knuckles. Jumping to the torso, add a U starting and ending at the neck, taking up most of the belly. Now, add a large triangle for both feet, as big as the inside torso section. From the inside vertices, draw a line towards the torso, narrowing the thigh and widening the feet. To finish the shoes, draw 2 curved lines on top and 2 sets of ovals on the ankle. Don't forget to add a tail spike, easily drawn as a curvy V. Let's start on the face. Draw a vertical guideline slightly off-center, following with a football shape for the eye guides. Starting at the edge of the eye guides, draw 2 U's, connecting at a point on the vertical guideline. Underneath the eyes, place an oval that touches both sides of the head, then a smaller oval for the nose. For the hair spikes, draw a curved line from Sonic's left eye that ends at a point, then another curved line almost touching the circle guide, then repeating those steps for 2 more large spikes. It's time to ink! For digital artists, lower the opacity of the sketch layer to 25% and create a new layer. For traditional artists, lightly erase all your lines until you barely see any Sonic and ink on top of that. I started inking the eyes with a curvy middle point, followed by meticulously drawing the mouth. I filled in the details of the face before moving on with the hair spikes and triangular ears. The best lines are drawn in one fluid motion. Move on to drawing the torso body before moving on to the arms and ring. If you drew the guides correctly, inking the arms and hands shouldn't be difficult. A simple way to draw a thumb is by drawing a rectangle that goes to the ring, followed by 2 blocky digits over the ring and 2 smaller digits on the top. For the other hand, draw 2 lines that follow the curve of the hand for each digit segment. After replacing the tail, continue with the legs, following with the arched shoes and markings, and a small oval underneath the shoes. Don't forget to add the back spikes, 1 large one in the middle of the back, and a smaller one on the shoulder blades. Erase any unnecessary lines before coloring Sonic using a true blue, peach, gold, very light blue, red, and green. Determine where your lighting will be coming from before adding highlights. All lighting must be facing the same way, and any shadows are directly opposite of the light. If you think of shading in terms of 3D space, it gets more manageable. And that's it, how to draw Sonic. If you have any suggestions on what to draw next, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time on Itsmintsalad Draws.